Welcome back, guys. We'll be beginning lesson 2 here, and I just want to give you a quick overview of what you're going to be doing. Hopefully, the screencast worked out great for you, and everybody in the course got a chance to review each other's and learn something a little bit about each other that's new. In this second part of the course, what we're going to do is we're going to use a Web 2.0 tool. And if you're unfamiliar with what a Web 2.0 tool is, you can research that in the lesson. But basically, what it is it's a term that was created in 2004 to label these new apps that allow us to collaborate and share information back and forth outside, and it allows you to think outside of the box and not just, again, type into a discussion box and be restricted to a black and white type font. So we'll be using a 2.0 tool, and if you are struggling with picking one or want to know a little bit more on how to use one, if you go into the table of contents, there is a folder in there called Web 2.0 Tools Tutorials, and then there's multiple tools that you can use and learn about. You're also open to use anything in the self-service app on your iPad. But when you find out which app you want to use, you're going to be creating a product based on an interview. I'm going to have you interview 3 different people, and what I'd like you to do is you get 3 people in different parts of their life. Maybe get somebody in college and get a grandparent, get a parent, different parts of their lives, because they will each have different experiences and trying to fit fitness into their schedules. But you're going to interact with them, and you're going to ask them about, like, what personal challenges do you face when exercising, the physical benefits that they're trying to get out of, if it costs money, if it's free, what's their motivation to work out, and how do they gain access to the activity, or whatever they choose to do. And just, again, ask them, how they exercise affects them as a person overall, their wellness. What does that do for them? So you're going to ask the same questions that are listed in the lesson to all 3 people, and then you're going to combine all of those 3, and you're going to create a product that is going to compare and contrast different answers, and you're going to be able to use a Prezi or Adobe Spark or TouchCast. You can screencast again if you would like to, and you talk about it and compare or contrast their information. And as always, you're going to be completing 2 journals, fitness journals 3 and 4 in this lesson. And as always, responding to two other people's discussion posts on what their interviewees had to say and what conclusions they drew upon their interview. So if you have any further questions, feel free again to post in the help board or reach out to me any way you need to.